Good morning, dear students. This is Shruti ma'am, Modern English School, New Area, Navada. Today is Wednesday, so as per your routine, you have to learn that is what is the name of your another book that except first flight class 10, that is Footprint Without Feet, and the name of the first chapter is The Tramp of Surgery, written by James Herriot. Tramp of Surgery. Surgery means that is a medical term, and tramp means victory. So that James Herriot actually he is a veterinary surgeon, and that when as you know that always I discuss I start my discussion with the clarification of the the title, the name of the chapter, the name of the story. So here the tramp of surgery means here we will see in this story that what sort of surgery was happened, to whom it was happened, and why it was necessary. James Herriot, actually he is that veterinary surgeon, and here the central character is a dog, and the name of the dog is Tricky, and who is its owner, that is Mrs. Pempre. Mrs. Pempre. Pempre means that pamper. Pamper means that unnecessary love, care, when it is given to anyone, that is called pamper. So see that the name of Mrs. Pempre, that is Pampre, similar to pamper, whatever. So the Mrs. Pampre is very much rich, and she is not having any work. So that's why she is having one dog whose name is Tricky, and the whole attention of Mrs. Pampre is towards Tricky, and she is a very much foolish, stupid lady, because he is just full of love and care to Tricky. Love and care is not bad, but the problem is that the necessary things which should be given to Tricky, it was not given to it. So that's why what sort of problem Tricky was facing, we will come to that. Problem of Tricky, that the dog, it is extremely greedy, and Mrs. Pampre, that all the living beings, they are having their certain diet, certain food habit, and there is a limit of eating food, that by getting up what sort of food, someone will be healthy. Mrs. Pampre, she thought that Tricky, it needs huge food, different types of food. So what she was giving? She was giving Tricky that cod liver oil, malt, that is sweets and Horlicks, to that regular food was there, and that these things were extra. And Tricky loved to eat that creamy cake, chocolate, and that is wine, whiskey, brandy, eggs. Are these the food of a dog? And at night, Tricky also likes to eat sweets. So what happened? The story was beginning just like that. That one day, James Herriot, this doctor, was driving his car early in the morning, and Mrs. Pampre was walking with her dog Tricky, and Tricky was excessively fat, so he was not able to walk properly. And what Dr. Herriot observed, that Tricky's eyes were roomy, means that is that water was discharging from that eyes, and this is due to that obesity, that excessive fat. And Tricky was looking, dogs, they are having nice shape, but Tricky was looking like a sausage, and as if that 4 legs were coming from 4 corners. Sausage means this type of oval round shape, that is sausage. So how much a dog that became fat, then it's that shape became like sausage, and he was not able to move properly. So that's why James Herriot asked that Mrs. Pampe that what he told, what he prescribed that about Tricky's exercise and about Tricky's diet, was it properly maintained by Mrs. Pampe? But the answer was negative, and Mrs. Pampe was so much attached to Tricky that she could not think to reduce any food from Tricky, whether that huge type of food, different types of food should be reduced from Tricky. And another thing was that he was not getting any exercise. Huge food he was getting and no exercise. So naturally he was becoming overweight, becoming extraordinarily fat. So James Herriot, then he understood that soon Tricky has to be hospitalized, and that the phone call came from Mrs. Pampe. What happened? That Tricky was not moving, and Tricky was vomiting, and Tricky was that could not sleep. And due to this, Dr. Herriot, James Herriot, went to Mrs. Pampe's house, and then as Mrs. Pampe was extremely rich and she was having different types of servants, maid servants, and that they have carried Tricky from home to Dr. Herriot's car. And then that motionless, Tricky was almost motionless, could not move. And what another thing, just Tricky was just like son, that lovely son of Mrs. Pampe, and he was having different types of luxurious things, different types of cots, different types of that bowls, different types of dresses, and for fortnight, means for 15 days, Tricky was hospitalized. So all the belongings Tricky was having, using at home, everything was that taken, shifted to Dr. Herriot's car, and they went over there. And that everybody's eyes were filled with tears, as if that the beloved son is leaving home and is that hospitalized. So coming back to the hospital, what the first thing Dr. Herriot did, that he has just put Tricky not on cot, not on very luxurious bed, but on blanket, and then he keep observation on it. And as it was a hospital and he was a veterinary surgeon means that is doctor of animals and birds, and so that other dogs were there, so they also came to Tricky to observe, but Tricky was could not respond, because he was so much motionless because of fat. So the other dogs when came and observed Tricky, and when Tricky did not respond, then they left. So first 3 days Tricky was not given anything except water. No food was given except water. And when that first day, second day, third day, that Tricky was, means that no food he was given only water. So second day, first day Tricky was totally motionless, no interest about the surroundings. Second day what happened? That second day he started looking around him and little bit interested. And third day he started moving. And on that day, that James Herriot, he put one bowl for Tricky with the other dogs. And here that very easily the dog did not get food. What happened? That at a place that food everybody's bowl was there and food has to be given over there. And the dogs, they had to go reach to that place by running. Understood? Running is what? Exercise, na? And that third day, when the other dogs they ran, Tricky just followed them and could not reach, and he just licked the bowl inside and outside. And from fourth day, Tricky started joining with this dogs group, and he was started playing, jumping, and everything. And at night, what was the rule over there? What was the system? There was chicken poultry farm, and chicks were there. And chicks means what? That rats also were there, and the dogs they had to hunt that rats. That was their dinner. So that means by this what we are getting, that they were getting very minimum food with with that exercise. And what happened over that side, that Mrs. Pampley, he was continuously phoning, that calling that this doctor, that whether that his night shoot, it means that different time, different dresses, different time, different beds, different bowls, that whether that all these things were maintaining or not. And Dr. Harriet, he did not receive call. And and after that 5th day, 6th day onwards, then Tricky weight was losing, and Tricky now was becoming a very nice dog. After that, when that Mrs. Pampley called doctor, then doctor told that Tricky was improving. Then when that the moment Mrs. Pampley got the news that Tricky was improving, then what happened? Then Mrs. Pampley started sending to increase that Tricky's energy, that is 24 eggs per day, wine, and that other things. And Dr. Harriet and his that companions, the employees over there, what they were doing? They were having very nice breakfast, dinner, all these things. And doctor was telling that he was that almost in the temptation. Temptation means that is he was feeling to keep Tricky over there forever, because that then Mrs. Pampley will send all these things every day. But Tricky was improving, and all these things were not given to Tricky. And then it was almost 14th day, Mrs. Pampley reached at there that Mrs. James Harriet's clinic. And when he came, then Dr. James, and Tricky was he was sleeping with other dogs. He was playing with other dogs, and which was very much heartbreaking matter to Mrs. Pampley. And when Mrs. Pampley came, then doctor reached to her and told, Mrs. Pampley, why you have come over here? If you could call me, then I could come over here. Why that Dr. James, that Harriet, he was telling that? Because he did not want to show Mrs. Pampley that in which way Tricky was being treated. And then that dogs were jumping, and Tricky was looking very nice, golden colored he was having. And Mrs. Pampley came, so doctor went over there when that the Tricky was jumping and playing with that other dog. He has that taken the dog in his lap and that wrapped with a towel and came to Mrs. Pampley. And when that Tricky came to Mrs. Pampley, then by seeing that Mrs. Pampley, Tricky was very much excited. He was very much happy, and he just jumped from doctor's lap to Mrs. Pampley, and he started licking that face and making sound. So definitely Mrs. Pampley was very much happy. And then this is a time to go back home, that for Tricky. So all the things which were that sent to Dr. James Harriet, all the things again were carried to Mrs. Pampley's car, and sitting beside the that sitting in the car, Mrs. Pampley's lips were moving. And that means that that when this is the expression of emotion. And because Mrs. Pampley was very much happy, because Tricky became well, and so she was leaving this place, and she was able to get Tricky, and within 15 days, these 15 days, Tricky did not forget her. And so this is the story of your, that is a triumph of surgery. Means that no surgery was happened. Only some treatment, some tricks were was made by this doctor, and with that Tricky became well. So this is the subject matter and the story of the triumph of surgery. You read your book properly and you listen the video, and when you obviously that difficult words or some meaning, when you will face problem, you contact with me. I am always over there for you, and thank you everybody. Have a nice